All right, today we have an ETF Nightcaps Artisan here. Not quite sure what's in the box, but if you don't know, ETF stands for Eat the Food. That's his username, and Nightcaps is the artisan maker's name. So let's make this one quick, open it, and see what we got inside. Wonder if it's in a pouch or if it's just in a clear, oh, here we go. It's in a pouch, fancy one. See what that is. So this one is a Nightcaps and Hello Caps collaboration. It's a Schrodinger. It's quite a nice one actually. Take a look there. See if it focuses. There you go. Color on this one is great. They did quite well with capturing what the brass looks like on here. It's pretty cool. Anyway, quick unboxing today. Let me know if you want more.